Answer the Public Marketing and SEO Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get SEO tools wrong. They assume keyword research is complicated or time-consuming. The surprising truth about Answer the Public is that it visualizes search queries, questions, and topics around any keyword, and you won't believe how it can instantly spark content ideas. Here's how it works. Enter a keyword, and Answer the Public generates a visual map of related searches, including questions, prepositions, comparisons, and alphabetically sorted suggestions. You can export the data for content planning, SEO strategies, or social media campaigns. For example, a digital marketer promoting eco-friendly products could type sustainable living and instantly see hundreds of related search queries like sustainable living tips, sustainable living for beginners, and sustainable living hacks. Most people get this wrong. They think SEO tools are only for experts, but Answer the Public is intuitive and beginner-friendly. Additional features include localized search data, export options for CSV or image, and insights to optimize blog posts or ad campaigns. Users praise its ability to inspire content, save research time, and improve search rankings. However, there are considerations. Free accounts have limited searches per day, and trends may vary by region. Most people assume keyword research is tedious. Answer the Public makes it visual, fast, and actionable. In conclusion, Answer the Public is ideal for marketers, bloggers, and SEO professionals who want creative, data-driven insights to improve content and search performance. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and SEO tools.